This is the Lematec sandblaster gun kit for air compressor, paint, rust remover for metal or wood or glass etching. Yeah, this thing is a beast. And right out of the box, you get the sandblaster and all of the connections that you need to make this thing work, as well as the instructions and some nice safety goggles. And make sure you have safety goggles when you use this, just in case. So basically, you're gonna open up the lid and you're gonna fill up the tank. There is a filter in here as well. Pop that lid back on. And yeah, recommended PSI is 90 to 150. I'll do another video demonstrating exactly how it looks when you're using it. But first, I just wanted to show you the quality of this sandblaster. It actually is really nice. It has a good trigger system. It is lightweight, so it's not too heavy. And it has everything you need to get started, except for the sand, which we're gonna have to go out and get some. You're going to use this nozzle here at the bottom to connect to your compressed air. That gives you the power and the PSI that you're gonna need to sandblast. It also has a copper valve, which is really nice, so you can set your different levels that you need if you need to go at max or just a minimum amount. So if you're looking to remove some rust or paint, or if you want to do some wood and glass etching, well, you should check this out. This thing will work great for you. So I highly recommend it, and thanks for watching.
Now, right.